Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make stew automatically. First, select your automatic cooking device, like a slow cooker or an instant pot. These devices simplify the process significantly. Next, gather your ingredients. You'll want about 2 pounds of meat and 4 cups of chopped vegetables. Cut your meat into 1-inch cubes and your vegetables into similar sizes for even cooking. This preparation is key for a delicious, hands-off meal. After preparing your ingredients, consider browning your meat for 5 to 7 minutes to enhance flavor. Then, pour in your liquids, typically 2 cups of broth and 1 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Finally, set your device. For a slow cooker, choose low for 6 to 8 hours or high for 3 to 4 hours. An instant pot might require 20 to 30 minutes on high pressure for a quicker cook. During the cooking process, it's best to resist the urge to open the lid. Each time you lift it, the internal temperature drops, extending the cooking time by about 20 minutes. After the recommended cooking duration, check the tenderness of your meat and vegetables. They should be fork tender. Before serving, taste and adjust the seasoning. A pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, and some fresh herbs can elevate the flavors beautifully. Once your stew is perfectly cooked, it's time to enjoy. Serve it hot, perhaps with a side of crusty bread or fluffy rice to soak up all the savory juices. If you have any leftovers, let them cool completely before transferring to airtight containers. This helps prevent bacterial growth. Your delicious homemade stew can be safely stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 4 days, making for easy future meals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.